so it's questionable thing. So let's come back to the mind brain system itself. Another challenge is the multitasking. So human brain is not made for multitasking. So you need to use a switching mechanism of switching one task after the another. That is how we can process things in parallel. Because when you solve a particular question, there is a use of different parts of the brain, and you have to be in a sort of multitasking. So you need to switch the task, one task after the another. That is solution to this multitasking problem. Then you will have to feel negative emotions. When you must have felt that when you start solving a question, you feel a bit of anxiety, depression, low feelings, hallucinations, this and that. So generally, when you just start solving questions, it's during the very first, you can say that 30 to 40 seconds. But slowly you adapt to the main task, and you focus on the task of solving the problem and getting the answer. Then with due time, these things get better. But initially, you feel a bit of negative emotions. Then another challenge is time management. Obviously, all the competitive exams are timely bounded, so you are not free to use time as per your wish. So time foundation is also there, but it can be learnt by giving a lot of mock test and by working in a time managed situation. The negative marking is there. Questions are manipulation based. Then it's lack of study plans and strategy, exam anxiety, lack of exam management skills. So these were certain challenges in the path. Then let's talk about the solutions. So the solutions is, first thing is learn to focus. So this is the very first important task, important skill that you need to be successful, you need to be ahead of others in this competitive world. Because if you are not focused, your information, emotions, energies will wander roughly. So you will not work under a pattern, and if you will not work under a pattern, you will not be able to get the desired result. So learn to focus, the first thing is. Then you can use meditation programs for that. Then another is stop flighting from the situation. Because if you are afraid of something, then the only solution is to face it. Because until and unless you face it, the fear will go into your unconscious and it will trouble you till the moment you have the guts to face the fear. So face the situations. That's the only solution of dominating the flight mode of the mind-brain system. This is depicted in the other figure, that learn to dominate the flight mode.